Hi, I'm Annie. I am the Restoration Program Director at the Reef Check Foundation.
Reef Check is a non-profit community science organization that trains and organizes teams of local volunteer divers to collect data on reef health.
I'm part of the kelp forest monitoring program that assesses our iconic kelp forests across the entire West Coast.
Kelp forests are one of the most productive ecosystems in the world. Similar to redwood forests on land, kelp forests are essential to the life within them. Their effects reach far beyond the kelp forest ecosystem, above and below the water.
Tragically, over the last 9 years, kelp forests have been lost, with up to 96% of kelp forests lost, particularly in the Northern California region.
This was due to a perfect storm of events, including warm weather events, a loss of predators, and a dramatic increase of native purple sea urchins. Sea urchins are herbivores, which means they're natural consumers of kelp. However, when they're overly abundant, they eat all kelp in sight, and the kelp is not able to recover fast enough. This has created something similar to deforestations of forest on land called urchin barrens.
Since 2020, we've been working in areas of Mendocino, California to restore kelp.
We know that by removing urchins from the system, kelp can come back. However, what we don't know is if kelp can come back long-term and become stable enough to persist.
We hypothesize that with enough community support and time, we can help the kelp come back long-term.
The funding from this campaign will help us work directly with the community to relay information, train volunteers, collect data, and work collaboratively with other local NGOs, scientists, and government to layer different restoration types. The information we collect will not only support community stewardship of the reef on their own backyard, but provide essential information to resource managers to continue restoration work, not just in the Mendocino area, but across the coast.
Thank you for taking the time to learn more about our work to save the redwoods of the sea. Please share this video with anyone who might be interested in learning more about urchin barrens or supporting our work. Thank you.